Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with...
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I'm really excited about this video because I'm recreating another Pinterest dress using yet again a bed sheet. So this is the bed sheet that I'm going to be using. It's a really cute green fitted bed sheet and I have so much to work with, and that is really exciting for me. So before we get into the video, let's first analyze the dress. So the dress is really cute. It is one shoulder, or it's a drop shoulder with a bow at the top. It also has gathers at the same shoulder, whereby we have the bow. It's nice and fitted at the chest, and then from the waist to the hips it has gathers at the sides and a bow to the opposite side where the other bow is. And we have a tier which is gathered, and it gives it so much volume, and I'm really excited. Since I have this much fabric, I have to work with it so that it's enough to make the bow at the top, the bow at the side, to make all those gatherings at, are they gatherings or pleats? I'm not sure, but I think I can achieve this with gathers. I have those gathers at both the sides and also get that tier that is gathered. So that is what I'm going to do. For the pattern making, I'm going to be using a basic dress block to start off this. And if you do not know how to create as a basic block for a dress, I have a video linked in the description box, as well as a short if you would like a shorter version. Now what I'm going to do to the pattern is I'm going to shape the neckline so that it's off shoulder, and for this dress the back and the front are exactly the same. That means you only need one pattern. If the zipper is at the back, you can open up the back, but I'm going to add my zipper at the side, which is going to be a bit challenging. So apart from changing the neckline, I'm going to open up at the shoulder, whereby I'm going to have some gathers right there, and then I'm going to be shaping in my dress all the way to my hips, and then opening up the side seams so that I can get enough allowance for the gathering. And then I'm going to shape it so well so that I can have that piece that is going to be at the bottom. I have all my pattern pieces cut out, so that is the front and the back skirt. I have the bow pieces. This is what I want to transform into the bows. I also have my bottom skirt piece, and I also happen to have a lot of leftover that I intend on making something which I do not know yet. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comment section and I'll appreciate that. So to start sewing, I'll start off with creating my bows so that once I get to that stage, it's just attaching them in place. And then once I'm done with the bows, I'm going to be gathering the bottom frill, which is this right here, so that again once I get done with the top dress, I can attach the bottom frill, or rather the bottom tier. Once I'm done with preparing the bows and the bottom skirt, I'm going to move on to the main dress, and I'm going to start off by gathering the side seams and then gather the shoulder seams for both the back and the front.
It's our conversation, she's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me cool close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no. But maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters.
These are the bow pieces, and this is the gathered bottom skirt. I did not get much footage because my sewing machine was acting up, so the only thing that is left for these bows is to press them and also make them into the tie. And this is complete. I have gathered it. I've done the temporary stitch and then gathered it. Now let's work on the main body. For the main body, I've decided on pleating since the inspiration has pleating as well, and my sewing machine is acting up. So let me do the pleating as I do the shoulder seam and the side seams.
Tell her now what I ever. It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever.
Pinning of the pleats is complete, and let me just say this right here was a hassle. So I have the longer side of this dress and I have the shorter side of the dress. From the shorter side of the dress, I'm going to be sewing from where I start pleating all the way to the bottom, and on the longer side, I'm going to start from the underarm all the way to the end, and I will have my side seams done. As you can see, this is how the shoulder seams stand out. This is from the right side. Absolutely love that. So let me just sew the side seams.
The worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell. Take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby. But we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud. Are you happy now? Cause I really hate you.
So far so good. This is how we're looking like. I have not pressed any of these pleats. I have done nothing. So I just molded them to my body, and because it's a bodycon dress, they just staying. I'm not sure if they're that visible, and I have the space where I'm supposed to have my zipper, which is this point right here, and these are the shoulder gathers. I'm not sure how I look from the back, but hopefully it's really nice. Yeah, and I think this is actually a look just as is with the asymmetric look. That short, I think it looks amazing, but I would not get anywhere to wear this if it were this short. So let's move ahead and add the bottom tier. So I just wore the dress as you saw before and marked where I want the tier to go, and that is where you can see these pins right here. So I'm just going to pin this and this together, right sides facing, and stitch all through.
'Cause you made me so blue, and I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you, and I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off.
The two pieces are attached, and now the next step is cutting off the excess piece that I do not want, and then I'll go ahead, hem the bottom and hem the armhole and the neckline, and then I will add my zipper last, which I've realized it's not mandatory for me to add, but I'm still going to be adding it later. The bottom is hemmed and the top is hemmed as well. That is at the neckline and at the arm side. As you can see, really cute. And the only thing that is left is attaching the zipper, and then I can sew my bows in place.
Know this, no more saving face. You gon' pay with pain. I just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can meet me in the next life, in the next one again.
So at this point the zipper is in, everything else is done, and the last step is just attaching the bows, which I want to attach right now. And I'm going to be attaching them at the shoulder, which is gathered, and I'm going to do that by hand, and at this side where the zipper is, and I'm just going to position it at the waist. So this is where my zipper ends, and my zipper ends at my underbust. Once my zipper ends, I have my underbust, and I have like 4 inches for my waist. So I'm just going to be attaching the bow at this point. As I said, I'm attaching it by hand. That is just sewing it in place, and I will be done with this dress. The dress is complete and I love it so much. As you can see, it looks amazing. The bows, the one at the shoulder actually looks like a fox sleeve. The one at the waist is just chef's kiss. I love the ruching at the waist and all. It makes me look really nice. And also that tier at the bottom, it's not voluminous, but it looks amazing on me. Generally, I'm obsessed with this dress. I love it so much. Let me know in the comment section how much you would rate this dress from 1 to 10. Now, these are the few things I would talk about when it comes to this dress. One are the things that I wish I would have done different. Number one, I wish I would have used a medium weight fabric. I used a lightweight fabric and it did not hold as much shape as the inspo was holding. So if you're going to remake this dress, make sure you use a medium weight fabric, and that way the pleats will stay in place and you will not have to adjust at all, and the tier gathers or ruffles will stay in place. Again, when I was cutting, I cut out with the idea of gathering at the waist area, or rather at the side seams, but I ended up pleating, so now I had to figure out the pleating part. But as you're drafting and spreading, that is the slash and spread method, you can just pleat it at that time and it will be easier for you and the process will be way smoother. Again, as I said, I love this dress, and as much as it did not come out exactly as the inspo, it really came out amazing and it looks so good on me. I love the one shoulder with the bow. The bows give it that dramatic feel, and the tier is just perfect, the length is perfect, and the color, as I said, I'm obsessed with green lately. I don't know why. I love it so much. If you want to see more bedsheet transformations, make sure to click the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts. The links and the handles are on the screen, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.